All right, senior home business family, welcome. I want to do a short video. I just got back from the gym. I even got my protein drink, man, been killing it, but who cares, right? You've heard all about me. You don't care about what I've been through and all my terrible stories and time at the gym and all that. Let's talk about you. That's what we want to get to today. And I want to share with you some things that are a little bit different in the senior home business. Now, this may only apply to subscribers. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like, get the notifications and all that good stuff. Hardly even say it in my videos. I just want you to get the material. And so we've got some great news on how to get this information, the only senior referral academy in the country, into your hands. Now, what does this mean? This is going to give you an opportunity to establish a six-figure home business. It legitimately is. There's no gimmicks. It's no pie in the sky. It's no go signing up 25 friends, none of that kind of stuff. Something I've been doing since 2018. If you want to know more about all that, so I ain't got to repeat my history, just drop down and watch over 200 videos I've done on this channel. And go ahead and do all that if you want. But let me get to what is different in the senior home business, because we've done some things to make it just a little bit easier for you to know about this industry. It's so incredible. So if you're a stay-home mom, if you are working part-time, or you're in a job right now, you just want to do something different, you're in sales or whatever it may be, this could be for you. If you like helping people and making a lot of money, this could be for you. We just made a deal today for $6,600. I'm not going to throw checks on the screen and show you my watches and show you where I live. And I've done some of that in the videos. You want to see that, go down and look at other videos, but it's not the purpose. Who cares about me, right? It's about you. It's about you making a commitment. It's about you understanding where you are. You know where you are. I don't have to tell you. It could be great. It could be not so good. It could be average. I don't know. You just need to be honest with yourself. And that's what I was honest with myself 5 years ago. And I didn't like where I was at financially. I liked who I was as a person, been a good dad, good person overall. But financially, I just didn't like who I was. I knew I had greater potential within me. Again, it's not about me. It's about you. See, it's so easy to get back talking about myself. Sometimes you got to talk to yourself, man. You got to talk to yourself and just get you motivated, get you excited. And that's what I want to get you today, is get you excited. But let me show you, if you would go on to, you see on the screen, seniorhomebusiness.com. If you go there, you're going to pull up and it's going to say senior home business, senior referral business here. Let me make that a little bit bigger for us here. And we come up here like this. If you go to the Academy tab, all right, this is a 25-minute video about the Academy, something I wrote back in the early part of 2019. We have added to this ongoingly. About every 6 weeks or so, I add another video. There is bonus videos, there's virtual tours, there's all kinds of things, power-packed information into the Academy. So why am I showing you this? If you play this, I'll play it just for a second so you see what I'm talking about. It's me talking to a prospective student here, and it goes through all the different modules. Now, I don't know, we're on this video, look like module 11. There's 21 modules, 21 different teachings that I give you about the industry. There's all the documentation that you'll ever need. See, there's only 3 ways you can get in this industry. If you don't know by now, number one, you know the process. You know how to operate this business. You know the ins and outs and how to be successful. You don't need me, no one else. You just go ahead and do it, all right? It's what I did back in 2018 because I worked for a large community. My wife was in medical 15 years. I knew the process, and I kind of figured some things out along the way. Now, you might be like some and they purchase a franchise, and that's cool too. You're going to spend $35,000 on the table right out of the gate, and then you're going to spend about $800 to $1,200, $1,300 a month. It's kind of a sliding scale over a 5-year period of time. You're going to be spending about $100,000, maybe $125,000 in a 5-year period of time in that franchise to learn what I'm going to teach you in the Academy for a fraction of that cost. Now, I have made it so easy now because we're working with a finance company, so we're able to finance this. And in the past, this is what makes it so cool. In the past, I had to tell people, hey, it's $4,000. Okay, I'll give you a little bit of a discount. And we kind of worked through some things, and some people got a little bit of discount, if they already made payments, but it was no long, lengthy amount of payments, right? I'm talking like a couple payments at a time because I couldn't do that for everybody. And I didn't want to drag it out 24 months. I'm not a finance company. I don't want that relationship with you. We got students in 20 different states. I want the relationship of me being the coach and me helping you and you being successful. I don't want to get on the phone and go, oh, hey Sally, your payment's due this month. I don't want to do that crap, man. I want to be able to help you in this industry because I know how much of a blessing it's been to me, and I know how much it'll be a blessing for you. Just go to the tab Academy and watch a 25-minute video of who we are and what we do and how this academy could benefit you. And it's a lot of information. If you want more information, currently on my webinar, you can see the link below. It's a 1-hour presentation. Now I'm getting ready to condense that to 15-minute training video. So it may say 15-minute training video once you enter the webinar, but it still currently is a 1-hour deal. I just felt, compelled early on to give you as much information as possible. But then I got thinking about it, man, if I'm you, I don't have an hour, sit down with my notepad and take notes. I mean, just give me the 15-minute version. I'll know if I'm, wanting to get involved in this, if it interests me at all. So, and after you watch the 25-minute video, I want you to go back to the homepage. All right, as you go to the homepage, let's go to the homepage right now. As you scroll down, you're going to see Senior Home Business Monthly Payments. All right, this is where it gets exciting because we're able to help people out. To, for instance, today had someone sign up and they're going to make $186 monthly payments. Okay, it's somewhere between 80 and 200, depending on your FICO score. They're going to make 186, which is not real good at the beginning. But here's the deal: you're going to average about $3,000 a move-in. So if you start making some monthly payments and you get going, let me help you, coach you into your first move-in, and then pay off the loan. And then you got your business, man. You're growing. You're getting successful financially. What you want to do here, click the monthly payments, how easy this is to apply for financing. You come here, you'll see Senior Home Business, see how much you qualify for. Hit apply for financing. As you hit apply for financing, put your request, whatever amount you want. Go ahead and put $4,500. That is the finance amount for the academy. If you qualify for more, they will tell you. Don't put $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 you see on the screen. Just put $4,500, okay? The APR starts at 5.99. It gets higher based on your credit score. It's a soft pull, okay? It does not affect your credit until you accept the loan. So it's a soft pull. Now, one of the keys is the loan purpose. You need to scroll down to other. Please click other. I've had students, and this program is hot off the press. We've only been doing this about a week and a half now, but I've had some students click business, and when they click business, they didn't get approved. I don't something that maybe the information doesn't go to too many lenders, or there's different requirements because they're trying to get a business loan, whatever it may be. But what you want to do is click other. And when the other students did this, they got approved. So all you do is put your first and last name, your information here, where you live, your email address, confirm your email address. Employment status is key. Now, the employment requirement is you have to be making somewhere between $30,000 and $35,000 a year. Okay, so if you're on minimum wage, it's not going to work. They're gonna flag that and not approve you. But if you make at least 30, 35,000 and up per year, then you should be okay. So put in your estimated credit range, and don't fluff it. Okay, if you're right here, put right there. All right. Don't try to bump it up because they're not going to check. They're going to be able to see. Okay, through a soft pull, they can still see where you are. Mobile number, date of birth, your annual income. Now include everything in your annual income. Now you might have a part-time job. You may have some real estate on the side or whatever it may be. Put that in there and then confirm it with your social security number on both sides. If you want a co-applicant, yes, you don't have to put the person in there. You just put yes. And this increases your, let's see what happens here. If you put yes, okay, you got to put their annual gross income. What it does, it just increases your income and does not pull their credit as well. Now, they may require some more information later. So let's say you put your employment status up here and, your information basically is you make 25, but then your co-applicant makes 100. They may ask for more information later. So then you just agree to the terms. So I'm just going to put no here, agree to the terms, and then click see my rates. And then literally within 60 seconds, information pops up and you see which one you can say yes to. And so literally in this program, the finance program, you literally now can get into the Senior Referral Academy for for about $100 a month. Now, it could be as high as 200 or it could be as low as 80, somewhere in that range based on your credit score, how much you make on an annual basis, some different factors like that. But that's the good news, because what I've been telling people all along, and again, this is only for subscribers. If you're new to this channel, again, this doesn't make any sense to you whatsoever. But I've had to say, hey, it's $4,000, man. That's what it costs. You want to make 2 payments of $2,000. You want to get a little bit of discount and pay $35 now and get into the academy. But now it's a golden opportunity, because again, the national average, what you'll make is around $3,000 per move-in. So if you go and get the loan and it only costs you, let's say $200 a month, takes you 3 months to get your first move-in, use the $3,000, and it won't pay for the whole loan, but it'll pay for a majority of it. So maybe I'll move in and a half. Now, some move-ins, you get a lot more than that. Like I just told you earlier in this video, got one today, it's $6,600. Well, if you get a move in like that, guess what? It pays for the 45 and puts some money in my pocket. And that's what we want to do in this business, in this academy, is put money in your pocket. So go ahead and go to seniorhomebusiness.com, click the academy tab, watch that 25-minute video, go back to the loan area, apply for it. It's $4,500 if it's something you're interested in. If you want to make some extra money, if you want to get a legitimate business, and I'm talking 6 figures and up, we make well above 6 figures. And I say well above 6 figures. It's still in a 6-figure category, but it's in the upper echelon of the 6 figures. We're pushing at that 7-figure mark, and that's where our goal and our aim is at. We're moving to Vegas, and here comes back to my story. It's all back in the other videos. Take a look at it. But man, I hope to see you soon. I'd love to have a conversation with you. My phone number is down in the description. You can text me, call me. Let's have a conversation. I'm sure you want to have some sort of conversation because of the level of commitment and what does this industry mean to you? Would this be even appealing to you at all? Man, do a Google search. Look at the communities that are around you. You see the senior living communities sprouting up all over the place. Even during COVID, my business did not slow down. Go ahead and check it out. But hit that academy tab, hit that loan, and let's get you started today.